Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Neha. So let's begin. Today we are going to see what is Spark document and what is whole document. So let's start. Let's go to the screen. What is Spark document? It is temporarily stored document until it is approved by the authorized user. Suppose entry done by junior accountant or clerk, so that it needs to be approved by the senior accountant. So he just create the entry and parked it, and it remain parked till it is approved by the authorized person. Let's see how to do this. Just type here FB50 T4 for creating journal entry 04/10/2022. Document header text not required, right? We just give P so that we understood easily. Okay. So general ledger account, uh, say office expenses account debit 200 rupees, say cash account credit 200 rupees. Okay. So I just want to park this document. I give you 1000. Such a 200 is such a small amount, right? And 1000 and parked it. So document 10FI02 was parked. Just save this document number. Also, you can make any changes if you want to make. After posting this document, you cannot park. Also, when you park the entry and it is authorized by the user, if the senior accountant wants, suppose senior accountant want to change such document, so he can change either by himself or he order you to change the document. So it can be changed before posting the document. So we have posted this created this document, park this document. Now say we have to post it. Okay, so for posting it, just go to FV50, enter. See, here there is a list of park document. This is our document, park document. Just double click on it and save as completed. See, preliminary posted document F10 F502 was changed. So see, FV50, earlier it was in park document, now it is showing in, say, complete document. So it is completed right now. Now it is completed now. So let's do what is hold document. What is hold document? It means holding the document for some reason. Suppose I get the call or say due to some reason I can't complete the entry right now. So what I do, I will just hold the document. Later on, I'll complete the document. Also, we have to give some name to it. First saving, okay. So just go back. Okay. Again, come to FB50. Give today's date. These all are not required, so I'm leaving it blank. What is document header text? Nothing. Say I'm giving hold. GL account. Suppose I'm doing wages entry. Document debit. Say 500 rupees. And I want to give. Suppose I get a call and I just want to hold this document. So what I'll do, I just click on hold. This is my incomplete entry, okay? And here we have to give some name. So I'm giving FIHO. HO is whole document. Okay. See, it is showing here held document. So we just double click on it if you want to complete it. FB50 FIHOR document. Okay, held document. Now complete this. Say 18,000 is cash account. I have to credit cash account 500 and just simulate it. See, posting is only possible with the zero balance or correct document. Oh, sorry, wrongly I have given credit. Wages account debit to credit. Also, I can change amount. Suppose I want to change this amount to 700. 700. Okay. Now simulate it. Okay. And post it. So document number 11 was posted in company code. So whenever you hold the document, it doesn't generate a number. It just saves the document. See, okay. Now we have completed this document. So today we did what is Spark document and whole document. I hope you understand it well. So okay, that's all for today. Thank you.